Hi there, students. Plight. Okay, a plight, it's a noun. Or the plight of somebody. Okay, this is a bad or unfortunate situation. Yeah, it doesn't always have to be bad, but almost always it's bad. A predicament, a difficult situation. We are now in a serious plight and it requires speedy remedial action. Yeah, we need to find a solution for it. Yeah, so a plight, a condition or a situation of extreme hardship, of extreme danger, of extreme difficulty. Yeah, an unfortunate, difficult or precarious situation. So, for example, unemployment benefits can improve the plight of poor people, of people who are unemployed. Or consider the plight of the workers trapped at the bottom of the mine. Yeah, so an unpleasant condition, especially something serious, sad, or difficult. The plight of the homeless is not good during COVID. Living on the streets with this virus going round is not easy. This is a difficult plight. We should be more sensitive to the plight of refugees who are trying to escape war zones. We need to take action over the plight of endangered species, otherwise they're all going to just disappear. The bailiffs do not consider the plight of the people that they evict from their homes. Yeah, they don't have any margin to do anything about what is going to happen to them, their plight. Large agricultural companies exacerbate the plight of poor farmers. They make their situation more difficult. They make it more complicated. Okay, notice as well, to plight can also mean to pledge, to give one's word. He plighted to never drink alcohol again, to promise formally, to pledge. So as well, you could plight your allegiance or plight your support or plight your troth, make a promise of marriage. But notice this meaning of plight is very, very formal and I think rather old-fashioned. I don't think it's something that people use anymore. So I would stick to plight meaning an unfortunate, difficult situation. Yeah. So you need to consider the plight of these people, what's going to happen. The plight of the hostages should be upmost in the government's mind. What will be the plight of the poor soldiers wounded during the war? Yeah, what will happen to them? Okay, so plight, a bad situation, what's going to happen to someone, a difficult condition, trouble, a dilemma, in dire straits, in a predicament, yeah, in a jam or in hot water, yeah, in a quagmire as well where you just can't get out. Think about third world countries, the plight of third world countries plagued with debts. I don't think the economic plight of Europe is going to be very good after this COVID epidemic. He was in a terrible plight. He'd lost all his money and he didn't know what to do. Okay, so a grave, serious situation. And that is it. Plight can be an unknown plight. Most normally we don't use it in a positive way though. So, next question. How formal is this word plight? I think I'd probably give it something like 6, maybe 6.5 out of 10. I think you could probably use it in an informal conversation, but I think I might use difficult situation, the problematic future, something like that. And then as to origin, okay, in Middle English there was still a word plight talking about a risky promise or a peril or a danger. And that maybe comes from Vulgar Latin, plictum, to fold, yeah? So, plight, yeah, what will be our plight in the future? Who knows? Anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Plight.